This is Echo 3-1. Troops in contact. Kilo's vehicle is down.
Shadow 01 to Kilo. Coney is after the missiles. Gear up and hunt him down. Commander, I have GPS trackers on the ship. Plant those on the missiles. We'll never follow them.
I still need to locate the containers. Dina would have known where to find them.
Shipping manifest will be in the Harbor Master's office.
The tower.
Affirmative.
Copy that. Heading towards the ship.
Solid copy.
Shadow's cargo ship is still in port.
You see any of my people?
Negative.
Not what I want to hear. There's enemy fire! Farah, get out of there! Stay out of sight. Coney's on the hunt. Think you're made, Kilo.
Approaching the cargo ship. I'm on the ship.
The trackers should be in the control room on the bridge. They're sweeping the area. Stay quiet.
GPS tracker can't be far.
Good kill, Kilo. Coney's coming for you, Farah.
Trackers must be around here.
Go to the bridge. Check for the trackers in the control room.
Looking for trackers.
The trackers should be in the control room on the bridge. Sat him the fuck down. Coney's on the hunt. Watch your ass out there.
Trackers should be close.
Head towards the bridge and check the control room.
Getting close to the bridge for the trackers.
They should be out in the open. Maybe on a table.
Be advised, Coney left no one alive on your ship.
Let's make sure they get what's coming to them.
Would their sacrifice be in vain?
Hit them for both of us, Farah.
Got trackers.
Great. Now get to the tower and grab that manifest.
No sign of survivors. Just bloodshed. These were innocent people. The missiles were supposed to prevent this, not cause it.
That's the business.
Kilo to Shadow. They're leaving with one of our containers.
Damn it! That's one missile lost. Get trackers on the other, Kilo. There's enemy fire. let's get that manifest before Coney does. They're looking for you. Keep it quiet. Think you're made, Kilo.
Approaching the tower.
Manifest should tell us exactly where those containers are. Be advised, Coney's on high alert. They're coming for you.
In the tower.
Tower's third floor office. Probably has the second.
Third floor. Office is close.
Check around the desk. Manifest could be on it.
Found the manifest.
Got it. Cross-referencing with our container numbers. Okay. Check the cranes. They may be loading another one of those containers now. Move fast, Kilo. Time ain't on our side here.
Coming for a container. Moving to the next. More guards by the second one.
Halfway there. One container left. That tracker on, Kilo. Clock is running. They're hunting for you. Stay low. Coney's coming for you, Farah. Went in hard, Kilo. Show them they messed with the wrong soldier. Let's get those trackers on our containers, yep.
Kilo Actual to 3-1. What's your status?
We're holding them off, but they got reinforcements headed your way.
I'll take care of them. Hold your ground out there, Alex. I need you alive.
Same, Kilo. Echo out.
Sounds like they found you. Not picking up much enemy movement. We gotta get those trackers placed before Coney pulls out with the missiles. There's enemy fire. Farah, they don't see you. Without those trackers, we're never gonna see those missiles again. Keep pressing, Kilo. Eyes up, Coney's searching for you. Think you're made, Kilo?
On the move!
Кинул осколочную! Мы потеряли бойца!
I see an ascender cable. Containers up above. Containers marked.
Great. You know where to go next. Keep pressing, Kilo. Coney's coming to get you, Farah. Expect heavy contact.
Pushing to the next container.
Цель обнаружена! Класс потери!
Get that tracker on. We already lost one. Plant that tracker, Kilo. Step it up.
Located the other one. All stations, last tracker on. Coney's leaving with both the missiles.
Solid copy. You did what needed to be done, Farah. Make sure you do the rest.
Echo, how copy?
Loud and clear, Farah. Cody's pulling up stakes. They got what they wanted.
We live to fight another day. It's not over.
I go to Kilo. You clear?
All clear. Press up.
Roger. Coming your way.
سامحيني يا دينا. رخليهم يتفاوتوا من بوعدك.
Commander?
Our missiles were meant to be a deterrent. Peace through strength.
It always finds its way back to this place.
It never left.
Russia wants this country.
They can't have it.
What's next?
Tracking those containers.
I'm coming with you.
No. Take care of our KIA and alert our forces. Tell them Russia's back in Urzikstan.
Shadow Company's got skin in the game. They're gonna want a piece of this.
True. There's someone else I have to contact first.